Hello, I'm pleased to have you here. In this video, I will guide you through the process of identifying and clarifying your career goals, which is a critical first step in your job search. You see, before you begin your job search, it's important to take a step back and assess your career goals. Understanding what you truly want from your professional life is the first and most crucial step. It ensures that your job search is targeted and aligns with your long-term happiness and success. Let's start by defining your long-term and short-term career objectives. These goals are your roadmap to success. First, think about your long-term career objectives. Where do you see yourself in 5, 10, or even 20 years? Do you aspire to be in a leadership position? Perhaps you see yourself running your own business or becoming an expert in a specific field. You have to consider the level of growth you desire in your career. Are you aiming to climb the corporate ladder quickly, or do you prefer to gain deep expertise in your current role? Your long-term objectives should reflect these ambitions for advancement and development. Now, let's focus on your short-term career objectives, the goals you want to achieve in the next 1 to 3 years. These goals are more specific and actionable. For example, landing a job in a particular industry, gaining experience in a new role, or acquiring a specific skill set. Think of your short-term goals as stepping stones toward your long-term objectives. If your goal is to become a marketing director, for instance, a short-term goal might be to secure a marketing manager position or complete a certification in digital marketing. Next, identify the industries and companies that align with your values and interests. This is crucial for job satisfaction and long-term success. You have to reflect on what excites you and where your strengths lie. What tasks or projects do you enjoy most? Are there industries you've always been drawn to? Your interests often guide you to the sectors where you'll be most motivated and productive. Consider your personal values, too. Is company culture, work-life balance, innovation, or social responsibility important to you? Aligning your career with your personal values ensures that you find fulfillment in your work. Conduct thorough research on the industries and companies that interest you. Look into their growth prospects, work environments, and values. Understanding this landscape will help you focus your job search on the right opportunities. This is highly important. Now, let's determine the skills and experiences you need to develop to achieve your career goals. Start by assessing your current skills. What are your core competencies? What do you excel at? Understanding your strengths will help you leverage them in your next role. Identify any gaps between your current skills and those required for the roles you're interested in. For example, if you're aiming for a managerial role, you might need to develop leadership skills or gain experience in team management. Commit to continuous learning and professional development. This could be through formal education, online courses, or practical experience. Gaining new skills will make you more competitive in the job market. Set specific development goals and break them down into actionable steps. For instance, if you need to improve your data analysis skills, set a goal to complete a course within the next 6 months. Regularly track your progress toward these goals. This will keep you motivated and ensure you're continually moving toward your long-term career objectives. Hope you're following. Your resume and cover letter are 2 of the most crucial documents in your job search arsenal. They represent your first impression to potential employers and often determine whether you'll be invited for an interview. To stand out in a competitive job market, it's essential to craft these documents with care, ensuring they are tailored, impactful, and professional. Start with tailoring your resume and cover letter to each job application. You see, one of the most effective ways to capture a recruiter's attention is by customizing your resume and cover letter to reflect the specific skills, experiences, and qualifications that the job requires. Carefully analyze the job description, identify the keywords, and make sure these elements are prominent in your documents. This includes emphasizing relevant experience, showcasing targeted achievements, and personalizing your cover letter to demonstrate genuine interest in the organization. Employers want to see not only that you have the necessary skills for the job, but also that you've successfully applied those skills in the past. Highlight your core competencies and make sure to include quantifiable results. For example, instead of simply stating that you managed a team, show your impact by saying something like, led a team of 10 to achieve a 20% increase in productivity over 6 months. Using strong action verbs and quantifiable results can significantly enhance your resume and cover letter. Action verbs like spearheaded, implemented, or optimized convey initiative and effectiveness. Always aim to quantify your results, whether it's percentages, dollar amounts, or other metrics that demonstrate your impact. Even the best content can be overlooked if your resume or cover letter is poorly formatted. Keep your documents clean and professional, ensuring consistent fonts, clear headings, and sufficient white space. For your cover letter, use a standard business letter format. Align your text, use single spacing within paragraphs, and keep the letter to one page. Crafting an impressive resume and cover letter is about more than just listing your experiences and skills. It's about telling a compelling story that aligns your strengths and accomplishments with the needs of the employer. By tailoring your documents to each job application, highlighting relevant skills and achievements, using powerful action verbs and quantifiable results, and maintaining clean and professional formatting, you'll create a resume and cover letter that stand out and help you advance in your career. I hope we good on this. In the next video, I will be putting us through how to optimize your online on social media, like LinkedIn and others. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our platform and stay tuned.